The sun and the weather certainly can take a toll on you when you're outside, and your car is no exception. Lenses, like the lenses on cars' headlights, are often made from polycarbonate plastic, which can be made perfectly clear and can withstand hits from rocks and other flying objects without breaking. But the polycarbonate plastic, like your skin, can be damaged by the sun's UV rays, which over time can cause your headlights to turn yellow and haze over, reducing their brightness and the crispness of the beam, and making your car look old and tired. We tried out the 3M Heavy Duty Headlight Restoration Kit on a 13-year-old faded headlight. Let's see if it fixed it.
This is where the magic happens.
In this video, we will be using the 3M Heavy Duty Headlight Restoration Kit with the drill attachment. It's also available as a hand sanding kit. The process is similar for both. The headlight clear coat liquid is also available separately. You'll find purchasing links to all of these products in the description below. We'll be trying out the kit on my son's 2007 Infiniti M35X. The car was a gift from my mom, and it spent its entire life in New Jersey living outside.
Look at this strut mount. This one looks like squirrels were collecting either little pieces of cereal or human teeth.
It's an awesome car with all-wheel drive and plenty of power. Being made by Nissan, it's also easy to work on, which is great for a new driver to learn about vehicle maintenance and repair. At some point, the car was in a minor fender bender and the passenger side headlight fixture was replaced.
This headlight's pretty good. This headlight is not original. That was replaced at some time, but take a look at this one. It's more yellow. It's foggy. Original headlight. Newer headlight.
The goal in this video is to see if we can get them both to match and look like new.
We'll need a bottle of water. We'll need a drill. Let's take a look at what's in here. Oh look, we have the right color drill. Well, that's a really good start. There's our drill piece. We got some cloths. They give you a glove. That's awesome. Give you masking tape. So let's spread these out. So we have some clear coat. We have the different abrasive pads. We have instructions. There we go. That's the magic pad.
The magic pad?
Yeah, that's the one that they featured on the front cover.
Gotcha.
Before doing anything, you'll need to thoroughly clean the headlights and the surrounding areas, and then protect the paint with masking tape. When the headlamps are clear and the surrounding bodywork is protected, you start sanding the lenses with the 500 grit sanding disc.
Okay, and we'll put the drill on slow.
Is that one?
Yep.
While sanding, it's important to keep the sanding disc relatively flat and keep it moving in a slow, steady pattern. Moving too fast can scratch the lens, and staying in one place can melt the plastic.
Wow, pause for a second.
Yep.
Do you see all the yellowed headlight plastic that's coming off?
It's encouraged to wipe the lens and the sanding disc frequently to ensure a consistent finish and prolong the life of the sanding pad.
Still frosty.
Good.
When the lens is consistently white and cloudy, it's time to change to the finer 800 grit sanding disc. Using light to medium pressure, make several complete passes over each lens until the scratch marks from the previous step are mostly smooth. After cleaning the headlights with water and paper towel, we switched to the 3000 grit disc and wet sanded with water from a spray bottle. You want to mist the headlights and the sanding pad frequently. If you're doing it right, you'll see a white slurry develop across the surface of the lens. If you don't see this slurry, the instructions recommend making 8 to 12 complete passes over the entire lens.
The difference between before wet sanding and after wet sanding is absolutely amazing.
Wet down and wipe off the lenses after using the 3000 grit polishing disc and inspect them for even clarity. If there's any irregular spots, re-wet them and keep polishing. The final step requires removal of the masking tape and giving the lights and surrounding area another good wipe down. The headlight lenses need to be smooth and dry for the next step.
So we have these headlight clear coat, and it's time to put that on right now.
Apply coating to both headlights.
The final steps are to apply 2 coats of the 3M clear coat. Leaving the wipe folded, apply the coating to the lens slowly and evenly, overlapping 25 to 50% on each pass. You need to wear protective gloves when applying the clear coat. The package lists the ingredients as containing several UV stabilizers, as well as a polyurethane polymer blend that's listed as a trade secret. If you inhale it, seek fresh air. If you get it on your skin, then wash immediately with soap and water. If the coating gets on your car's paint, wipe it off with a clean, damp cloth. Allow the wet coating to dry for between 5 and 15 minutes, and then apply the second, final coat the same way you applied the first one. It was about 55 degrees Fahrenheit where we were working, and the coating dried to the touch in about 10 minutes. Plan so you allow it to dry a full hour before exposing the headlights to rain or other precipitation.
Are you happy with the results?
Yeah, I think it looks good.
What was the most dramatic part of the process?
I wasn't expecting it to tear up the surface and like frost it over so much when I first started sanding it.
Well, honestly, I didn't expect to see so much sawdust come off it.
Yeah, there was a
sanding
lot.
dust. Yeah, I mean, it was a mess.
Mm-hmm. And then when this finally went over everything, it's amazing how much it just instantly cleared up.
You think it looks different?
Mm-hmm, definitely.
Let's pull it out in natural light and take a look at how we did. If you'll pardon the pun, I hope this video shed some new light on restoring old headlights. If you're interested in purchasing your own headlight restoration kit, I'd be grateful if you use my Amazon associate links in the description below. I'm Mike, and the channel is Mike Fyxdt. For more auto, home, and tech videos, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and please leave your comments in the section below. I love hearing from you. Be good, be well, and be safe, and I'll talk to you real soon. I fixed it.